Hey guys, it's Monday. I don't even know what day, but anyway, another weekend. Today you're gonna do 10.3, day 3 online for big ideas. It's only 6 problems, and I think if you watch this video, you'll find it's super simple. All right, the thing that's gonna be different today, you're gonna have a radical on both sides. So see how that's got a square root over here and a square root over there? Well, it actually is easier when that happens because when you square the sides to get rid of the radical, when you square this side and you square that side, squaring a square root just cancels it out. So then you just have 3x minus 10 equals 10x plus 4. So now we're going to solve just using your basic algebra skills. So you should only have to use a couple steps to get through this part. Always move your variables to one side. So I usually move the smaller one just because it's a little easier, but you don't have to do that. You could move the 10 that way. But this is something the book's going to do to you. See how that's a minus 10 right there? Make sure that negative 10 comes down with it. You don't just lose that symbol. And then I've got a 7x plus 4 over here. Now we move the variables to the right. So now we're going to get those numbers back over here. So opposite operations is to subtract. You got 2 negative numbers that you're combining. That's like you're adding 2 negatives. So this is negative 14 equals 7x. Divide by 7. And you get negative 2 equals x. And that's what you would select on the online program. Okay, now this one's a little bit more challenging because we really haven't done much of this, but there's only 2 problems. It's really not too bad. You're still going to square both sides. So I'm going to square. So I've got v plus 2 equals v over 2 minus 3. Now that 2 down there is what's going to make it a little challenging, but it's easy to get rid of that 2. What you do is when you have that right there, and I want to get rid of that denominator, I want to cancel that out somehow, take both sides of your equation and multiply by whatever that denominator is. If it was a 3, you'd multiply both sides by 3, 5, whatever. So that's a 2, so I'm going to multiply this side by 2, and multiply this side by 2. Now, we do the distributive property. 2 times v, 2v. 2 times 4, that is 4. Now, the whole reason we did that, that's going to cause these 2 to cancel out, and I'm just going to end up with v, but don't forget, you got to get that 2 times that minus 3, so that's minus 6. Now, move the variables to one side. I'm going to move that v over here, because that's just going to give me a single v, plus 4 equals, now, don't lose that negative that's with that 6, because that'll get you the wrong answer. And then we're going to subtract 4 from both sides, and I find that v equals negative 10. Okay? So hopefully that will work for you, and you can always check your answers before you put it in 2 big ideas if you want, because like if I put negative 10 into that first equation, I'm just going to show you how you can check it. If I did negative 10 plus 2 right there, and I did negative 10 over 2 here, and plug that in to the equation. Sorry, I'm running out of space here. And I plugged it into that original problem. I could check this to make sure that my answer's right, because that would give me the square root of negative 8. And then negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5, and that would also give me the square root of negative 8. So that's just something you can do if you want to check. All right, so only 6 problems, guys. Get in there and get it done today, okay? 10.3 day 3 online assignment, and that is for today, which is Monday. Good luck with that. If you have any questions, let me know. I miss you guys, and I hope you're doing okay. We'll get through this. Hang in there. Bye.